In the Quran, the munafiq is described as having a disease in their hearts. في قلوبهم مرض. What is the cure for this disease? It's a difficult one, and it depends on the munafiq and the severity of the affliction. Sometimes, it's very rare for a munafiq to be pure munafiq. Generally, nifaq is in degrees, and we all are munafiqun to some degree or another. And we all have some experience through muhasabah of how we can gouge out that particular weakness within us. And for the more thoroughgoing munafiq, he has to do the same thing. And in the occasional moments of contrition and reflection that he or she does experience, has to seize that moment and work on themselves. And one of the reasons why religion has cycles and sacred places is that it gives people opportunities for tawbah through intensity. So a munafiq may well be going along with the community by fasting in Ramadan or doing the Hajj, but in those times when there is more barakah and more clarity of heart, they are more likely to recognize the impurity of their condition and to repent. But ultimately, the heart of every human being is between two fingers of the Rahman, and he turns the heart as he will. This is his decree. Some people will die as munafiqeen, and little that we can do can help them very often, unless we're quite exceptional people. I mean, there were even munafiqeen who saw the Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam, still were not cured. This was Allah's decree.